Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come,
open it?
come here. Here it is, Maebie. We already put it together. Look.
Beautiful. Look, here it is.
Sit it right here where it's facing down.
Here it is.
What do you think?
Look, it's a kitchen.
Nice.
Right here. What Daddy? Oh, right here. Okay. Move your fingers.
I thought.
Okay.
Look, Maebie. Wait till you see this. There was a card.
I can't get Maebie. I can't see her face.
We have a card to her, honey, over here.
There we go. Look, it's
She
cooking.
loves looking at her cards.
And look at this one.
It's frying.
Washing.
Yeah, you can wash dishes.
Just like Grammy's thing.
Maybe this is your card from Jimmy and Joni. Wash it. Wash it.
Wash it.
Hey Debbie, that looks like your sink. Your faucet.
Why don't you pump it up with the
This is salt and pepper shaker. This is salt and pepper shakers. We're cooking.
Let's stop.
Salt and pepper.
It's okay.
Are you washing your dishes?
Oh yeah.
Something's frying on the stove. I can hear it. She's cooking something. You eating some? Oh, I bet that's tasty.
I've never had one of those.
Maebie, you can put your food in your refrigerator.
Why don't you put it up against the entertainment center there so it won't knock over?
You want to put your food in there?
Don't do that. I never got one either.
They didn't make cool things like that when we were little. At least if they did, we didn't know about it.